kilometers. Yeah, that's amazing. Be it snow, be it rain, be it literally anything. These never stop. So yeah, it's a great place to be at. I'm at a local restaurant here near Baku airport, and we can see a lot of dishes here. As you can see, biryani, local biryani here in Baku. This is local biryani here in Baku. And as we move further along, there's chicken roll and local food being cooked here and being present.
Bread also.
There's also bread here as well. So yeah, really good atmosphere and it's a really good food. What I had here now, that's the real question. What I had here was local Azerbaijani tea, and other than that I had bread with tomatoes.
This tomato egg our daily food.
Tomato egg?
Yes. Daily local breakfast. Toprağım çok so.
And I'm here having cake, local Baku cake, and this is really good quality.
Honey cake.
It's called honey cake. Really, really good. So yeah, I really recommend you guys to come here. What's the name of this place?
Ali Gapik.
Ali Gabik place. So yeah, I really urge you guys to come here. Waste to Art Museum, and now we will be exploring this place. So let's go in and explore this place. Hey guys, I'm at the Hyder Ali Center right now. As you can see, this is the symbol of Baku. So we are going to explore this now and check this place out. at the Upland Park right now. Beautiful view of the entire city of Baku here. As you can see behind my back, there's sea and everything you can cover. There's also flame towers. As you can see, really good place, and I recommend all the people coming to Baku. We're at the Gobustan Old Rocks right now, and as you can see, this is UNESCO National Heritage. So yeah, National Heritage, really beautiful flowers. As you can see, red flowers right now here.